New anti-jump top security roller for narrow or light doors with an embedded element. Get the embedded element inside the top rail and assemble the door. If the door is already assembled, then carefully hammer the embedded element into the groove of the top rail. Install the soft closer on the right side of the door. Fix the roller on the left side of the door. Get the door into the opening and adjust the soft closer. Adjust the roller so that it fits tightly against the top rail. Door operation without a top roller. Door operation with the new top security roller.